Hi, I'm Daniel Graziano, and here's a brief overview of my final project called Neuroscience and Neural Nets. The broad goal of this project is to explore the deep learning techniques and apply them to different neuroscience datasets. We're looking at electroencephalography data this time, which is time series data. The techniques we explored are convolutional neural networks, a specific type of RNN called the GRU, dense neural net classifiers, UMAP, and echo state networks. The specific goal of this project was to predict digits that subjects were viewing on a screen from using only their EEG signal. The type of data we collected was based on two types of hardware. One had one electrode, and the other type of hardware had multiple electrodes. All of the data was processed on Google Colab except for the echo state network, which required more memory, so P2X large was used instead. The first method we tried was using convolutional neural networks on the spectrograms that we produced. You could see the type of spectrogram on the left here. That's a good example of one, and an example of the model we used on the right. The second method we used was a gated recurrent unit on the raw time series data itself. GRUs are really good at looking at time series data due to their memory component. We also applied GRUs to the spectrograms themselves due to the spectrograms being a type of time series, except in 2D instead of 1D. The third method we used was UMAP, which is a way of reducing and transforming our data so that it can later be fed into a neural network classifier. Here's an example of the embedding that you could see here, which was then fed into the classifier. The fourth method we tried was the echo state network. This is a special type of RNN that uses a block of untrainable units that are used as a reservoir, which hold the memory. Overall, the best results we got was from using UMAP, followed by the neural network classification. Spectrograms struggled due to the fundamental nature of convolutional neural networks, and GRUs struggled due to the high variability of the data. Thank you very much for listening.